Hello everyone! Today, we're going to solve a math problem that many people often get wrong. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what topics you'd like to see in future videos by leaving a comment below. First off, it's crucial to understand the order of operations in mathematics. Here's the sequence. First, operations inside parentheses. Next, exponents. Then, multiplication and division, from left to right. And finally, addition and subtraction, from left to right. First, let's look at our operations. There are multiplication, division, and multiplication operations. Therefore, we'll solve from the beginning. 8 times 8 equals 64. Then, 64 divided by 8 equals 8. In our final operation, 8 times 8 equals 64. I hope you understand. If you understand, please like. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try to find the answer. I'll solve it in just 5 seconds. I'm solving it. Feel free to follow along. Solve this question and write your answer in the comments. I hope you understood the solution. To support me and help me continue making content like this, please like the video and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Goodbye.